Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to group multiple images in Microsoft Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Then go to the Insert menu. Select the picture option, choose this device. Now I am select multiple image from our file. Then click Insert. Now we can see here insert multiple image, then we resize this. Now we want to group this multiple image, move side by side, then press and hold the shift on our keyboard and select this multiple image. Go to the picture format menu, select the group drop down menu and make it group. Now we can see we group multiple image very easily. You can resize the image at once, otherwise you can move the image anywhere at once. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.